Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Today, I'm going to share with you a fantastic 7-minute push-up workout that'll help you boost your strength. This workout is perfect for those days when you're short on time, but still want to get in a great workout. So, let's dive right in and start with the first exercise, wall push-ups. Begin by placing your hands against the wall, slightly wider than your shoulders. Then, lower your body and push up for 40 seconds. Next up, we have tricep push-ups. Position yourself in downward dog and lower your body for 40 seconds. Make sure to keep your elbows close to your body and focus on getting stronger with each rep. Now it's time for one of my personal favorites, mountain climbers. Start with a plank position and bring one knee up to your chest while keeping your opposite foot off the ground. Alternate legs for 40 seconds to really get your heart pumping. Looking to take your home workouts to the next level? I've got you covered with some amazing gear. Check the description below for links to my top recommendations, including the best HIIT workout mat, a comprehensive home workout guide, essential home gym workout equipment, effective push-up equipment, and the reliable body fat measurement device. These products have made a huge difference in my fitness journey, and I'm sure they'll help you too. Click the links in the description and start transforming your workouts today. Let's continue to main topic. The final exercise is a classic, regular push-ups. Complete 20 regular push-ups, making sure to keep good form and engage those core muscles throughout each rep. And there you have it, a quick yet effective 7-minute push-up workout that will help you build strength and endurance. Give it a try and let me know how it goes in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoy this video, and subscribe for more fantastic workouts like this one. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.